Sanibona bafethu uVanele. So I did a video regarding isquad esilandwe Hugo Bros. Hugo Bros ulande isquad sebafana bafana. Njobe nje ibize isquad sebafana bafana baningi abadlali angababizanga. And ama-fans amaningi ayakhala ukuthi why labadlali labo bengabizwanga. Ngithe ngibheka ama-comments amaningi adebala bani adebala uThabocele. Uthi uThabocele why engabizwanga uHugo Bros. Yamazi bafethu uThabocele is a player that plays for iKaizer Chiefs. iKaizer Chiefs lo mjidayelo yamsayina as a free agent. He played very good for iKaizer Chiefs last season. Umjida wayenswempo kakhulu for iKaizer Chiefs. Akule season isaqalile nje umjida udlala ibhola elihle, udlala eswini. So ama questions ayabuza labantu abaningi bayabuza why umjida engabizwanga ebuzwa uHugo Bros uthi ayodlala. Nasinobani na sinomduduzi Shabalala. Umduduzi Shabalala is another player obiziwe uHugo Bros odlalela iKaizer Chiefs. Menikhumbula kahle ke umduduzi Shabalala benayo uThabocele babizwe isquad seKhosafa. Mina wakhumbule ama games eKhosafa nayi lineup one of the lineups ababedlala ngayo kuKhosafa. La niyabona abadlali ababiziwe Ime Okon is one of the players ababizwe uHugo Bros currently. Ukhona kwisikhathi sebafana bafana eseyodlala against iNigeria and iLesotho. Mase nisiyabheka la kukhona futhi noSibelebele. Sibelebele is another player obiziwe ebizwa uHugo Bros. Ukhona kwisquad eseyodlala against iNigeria neLesotho. Mase kuba uyena umduduzi Shabalala naye ukhona kuleso squad. Abantu abaningi bayibuza ufana uyaphi nalendaba. Mfethu uThabocele wayebiziwe ebizwe ubani ebizwe isekela lika Hugo Bros. Ubani loyo umkhelelo. Menimaze bafethu uHelman Mkhelelo. uHelman Mkhelelo ade afika la eSouth Africa esebenzisana naye uHugo Bros. Ade uHugo Bros since ukufika kwakhe nje uHugo Bros besemisana naye uHelman Mkhelelo. So ukuba khona kwakhe ubemsiza ekuhlungeni abadlali abazodlala, emsiza emhlungela abadlali abazodlala for ibafana bafana abayodlala even abadlali abayodlala for iChan yabo elando obadlali labo ebabhe uthi ibapha abadlali abakulungela ukuyodlalela iFirst team yebafana bafana yabo. So usizo olukhulu kuHugo Bros. So why uThabocele wayengabizwanga? Menikhumbula kahle ke ibafana bafana njengoba bayodlala nje iKhosafa. Yadlala kuKhosafa, yadlala yazafika kwifinal kodwa umjida wayengekho. Wayengiphi pho uThabocele? Kulabo abakhumbulayo menikhumbula izinsuku zeKhosafa. uThabocele wabizwa kwisquad seprelim wakhetha ukuthi ayideny leyo opportunity, wakhetha ukuthi umjida anqabe ukuthi ayodlala kwiKhosafa, wakhetha ukuyaphi, wakhetha ukuye eMoscow. Menikhumbula kahle la wayepostile eseMoscow umjida afuna ukuyodlala for ibafana bafana. Mina seniye kuyipage lakhe la kuInstagram ungabheka, you can even check the dates and check ama dates ayodlalwa khona iKhosafa. Mase uchecka ukuthi umjida wayekiphi, uchecke isquad esakhishwa seprelim, squad sama prelim ayibizwe ngaso umjida wathi wakhetha ukuthi angayi khetha ukuyale ayihambele ku vacation. Abadlala abanjengomdu balithatha ithuba babenikezwe lona balisebenzisa. Right now umduduzi Shabalala useyodlalela for ibafana bafana bayodlala against iNigeria against iLesotho. Against iLesotho. So abantu abaningi sebeyabuza wayengakhethwanga. Izinto ezikanje bafethu akumele niyithathe lightly. Niyamazi uHugo Bros. uHugo Bros ulo coach lo ongawuthathi uDude. Hugo Bros when uJaden Adams wafika late kwicamp yebafana bafana, uJaden Adams wakhishwa kuma plans yebafana bafana completely. Bamxosha nje kubafana bafana. Even right now, yes, I remember uJaden Adams wabuya for ama World Cup qualifiers the last time we played ama World Cup qualifiers, but wayesemxolelile lapho uHugo Bros. Even right now akambizanga. Yebo, because uHugo Bros akathandi ngempela ukubona umdlali odelela icamp yakhe. Yebo, because lento le yenziwa uThabocele babemnikeza iopportunity. Yes, kwakuyisikhathi seKhosafa. Kwakuyisikhathi seKhosafa, but iopportunity onikezwa yona to represent ibafana bafana unikezwa yona because uHugo Bros wayekhona eyowabukela lawo ma games. uHugo Bros wabukela ama games eKhosafa. Wayekhona eyowabukela. Ukwabukela kwakhe kwafuna ukubona ukuthi ibaphi abadlali azobalanda. Now ulande 3 players kule squad seKhosafa asafika kwifinal. Landed 3 players. Maybe he was going to be part of the team, part of the players abezolanda. Yabo, it's a pity to uPuso Ditejana akalandwanga, but he's a great player. Maybe he will be called up next qualifiers noma ngama AFCON ngeAFCON asazi. But yena umjida I feel like wadlala kakhulu ngethuba. From uThabocele wadlala kakhulu ngethuba enikezwe ithuba mfethu. Ithuba phela alivelini nomba. Leli thuba leli ko represent bafana aliveli nobuba. So abantu abaningi bangakhala but ongabizwa kwakhe umchida uyena wayibukela phansi. Kwabanye ke abadlali I don't really know, amhla abantu bangasho ukuthi why uThemba Nkosiloche engabizwanga. Guys, uThemba Nkosiloche sithi afike uHugo Bros angikhumbuli uThemba Nkosiloche ebizwa mina since nje afike uHugo Bros, so akusiyona nje lento into engakhala kakhulu ngayo. Keletso Magalo is another player for me. Maybe mchide mfethu uHugo Bros uthanda isystem yakhe, isystem yakhe nimsebenzela nje uzokhetha abadlali kanje, yabo. But ke ekaThabo Cele I feel like uThabo Cele he was going to get the opportunity because he was called up for iCOSAFA but he didn't use that opportunity. Look now Sibelebele, it's not favoritism, no, opportunity uyanikezwa but ke wena uyibukela phansi. But angitshela ama comments wena, how do you feel about the situation yakhe umchida ungabizwa kuBafana Bafana? Do you think is fair? Noma it's not fair, because even abadlali abanje koDlamini, imagine uDlamini lo dlala Orlando Pirates, why represent iCOSAFA, Bafana kwiCOSAFA, profile yaDlamini inkulu kanje, but uyodlala kwiCOSAFA, but he didn't deny that opportunity, he took that opportunity ngezandla zakhe zo2.